Are you stuck trying to figure out how to be successful when you start the keto diet? I know that when I first started the keto diet, it was insane to figure out what to do first or how to start first. So today's video is going to be about how to successfully start your keto diet and get it on and popping. So if you really want to know how to successfully start your keto diet, stay tuned. So, as you guys know, in 2015, I was doing keto and I lost 60 pounds doing keto. It was like the greatest thing in the world. I was on cloud nine. I was able to fit cute clothes again and I was doing so well. And then I got sick, so I wasn't able to continue on doing keto anymore. And to this day, I can't do keto. And I have a video explaining everything of why I can't do keto and why I will never do it again. And I will link that video down below for you guys. But just because I can't do keto doesn't mean I don't know anything about it and that I can't share my experiences with you guys about how to do keto. Just because I'm not doing keto doesn't mean I can't give you all of the wealth of information that I already know and I'm holding in my brain. Why not let it out?
I mean, where the should I really even start?
So the first way you can be successful when starting the keto diet is to track everything before you eat it, okay? It's called if you bite it, write it, okay? So make sure that you're using your favorite tracking app. Sometimes I use the Lose It app. You're writing down in a journal, any way that works for you. Track your food that before you eat it. If you're eating breakfast and you're eating eggs and sausages, write down breakfast, January 17th, 3 eggs, 2 sausages, boom, you're done for the breakfast log. You know, you're good with that. If you cheat and put 1 chip in your mouth, you need to account for that 1 chip. I like to use a tracking app because you can scan your food into the app and it will show you all of the nutritional value of the food that you're about to eat. So it will show you the protein that's in it. It will show you the carbs. It will show you the calories. It will show you everything that's in the app, and then you can adjust it to how much you're eating. So if you only ate a half a bag of chips, then it will adjust the nutritional value of the product to how much you ate. So you don't have to put the guessing game and do the math and be a math whiz and be an engineer and figure out how much you actually ate. It's also as close to accurate as you're gonna get. So I would love to use a tracking app whenever I track my food. I like to use the Lose It app, but some people use other apps that they find, easier for them to use. Whatever you do, write it before you bite it. The second way you can be successful at starting your keto diet regimen is mind over matter, okay? You have definitely got to have willpower with this thing. You cannot stray away at all, because if you do, you will be knocked out of keto, you will be knocked out of ketosis. And the keto is really just the amount of ketones that your body produces for optimal fat burning. So if you are knocked out of that, going back or getting back into keto sometimes for most people is harder than the first time that they got in. So you don't really want to go through those motions, and there are certain side effects, I want to say, that come along with getting back into keto. So you don't really want to put yourself through all that. You just want to be able to get in keto, glide through the motions, and burn off that fat. So the third way you can be successful when you start your keto diet is make smart choices when you're going out to eat. Face it, you're gonna go out to eat with your man, with your boo, with your friends. It's gonna be girls' night, anything, okay? And you're gonna want to eat something of what's at the restaurant. You're gonna get hungry. It's inevitable. It will happen. But the one thing you can do to ensure that you stay in keto and stay on track and on focus is to make smart choices while you're at the restaurant. If you're ordering a burger, don't eat the bread. Don't get fries. Get like steamed broccoli or something. You can definitely make smart choices at restaurants. You don't have to just X out having to go out and having a lifestyle just because you're doing keto and trying to lose weight. You can do this. You can go out to eat. You can go to the fair. You can go to a carnival. You can go wherever you want to go to have fun with your friends or with your family. Just make sure that when you're ordering your food, you are not only writing it before you bite it, but you're also being smart about your choices. Tip 4. Don't focus on what other people think about what you're doing. It's not their journey. This is not their life. It's your life. You're doing what's best for you so that you can get the weight off, so that you can start a better lifestyle, so that you can eat better, you can live better, you can feel better. Do not worry about what other people say or what they think, because when you are living your best life, trust and believe, they're off living their own best lives, doing whatever it is they want to do. Let them judge their mamas. Let them judge themselves. Let them judge their kids. Don't judge you. You are on your own path. You stay focused. You do what you have to do for yourself, okay? So all that negativity, push that back. You don't have time for that. You are focused. You're in the keto zone. You got things to do. You trying to make it. You got weight to lose. Let's get it. Keep your goals in focus. It's so easy to just fall off the wagon. Everybody falls off the wagon. It's about how you get back up and you get back on the wagon that makes the difference, okay? So as long as you got your goals in focus, you know what you want to do, you have a plan, you have written down all your food, you're making sure that you're making smart choices, you're out there and you're getting it, make sure that you keep those goals in focus. Get you like some smaller clothes and make it your goal to get into those clothes. Say, you know what? I'm going to get into these clothes by August, and I'm going to fit into that bikini by August. I'm going to go to the beach with a crop top by August. I'm going to do whatever it takes by a certain time and make that your goal. Focus on that. Do everything you need to do. Write it down. Plaster it all over your house if you need to. Put it on your refrigerator. That is a great place for goals to be, on your refrigerator, because every time you open that refrigerator, you're going to know, okay, I can't eat this because I got to do this. I want this. I need my body to be better for not only my health, but also the way that it makes me feel and the way that I want to feel. Keeping your goals and your focus is your number one priority when you're starting this keto diet. The last and sixth tip is stay away from bread, potatoes, and anything described as processed foods. Avoid it like the plague when in ketosis and trying to do the keto diet. There is no way that you can eat those things and still be able to lose weight. Those things are a recipe for disaster. You have got to avoid those things. You have got to stay away from those things. You have got to make sure that you look at those things like they're dirt. You wouldn't eat dirt. You wouldn't go outside and pick dirt out of the grass and be like, this is great. No. So you've got to look at those things like they're dirt and be like, I don't want that. I'm not eating that. And that will help you stay on track and stay on focus. Once you start not eating those things and you put forth so much time into the keto diet, you won't even miss those things. It'll be like a faint memory. Starting the keto diet can be very simple and easy, but you got to put in the hard work, determination, and effort to stay in keto and make sure that you're losing that weight like you want to. Definitely try and use these tips. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You can cheating it before you eating it. No, that was whack. About how to do you eat it, weed it. No.